Go like this.
This should be go down first left, and then second right. Then left, and then right. And then left, and then right. Your boat
dancing down the street. Merrily, 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 the crocodile will eat.
And we are turning back.
Our turning back. And our friends are ahead of us, Mama. Please show them. There they are. Guys, please don't fight. Please don't let small kids do it. It's very hard. But I'm still big. I'm 8 years old, so I'm learning.
No, anyone can learn you.
Yeah, but small kids do it.
Left, left, left.
But with proper safety.
Yeah, proper safety only.
What we are wearing? We are wearing safety jackets.
Nice jacket. And Anumani are already ahead of us. Mama,
Let's
show them.
catch them.
Let's catch them.
We are coming to catch you guys.
Show them.
You can't run from us.
We are coming to catch you. Full speed.
Full speed.
Here comes our friend Uncle Anumani again. I am tired of rowing, guys. So how will we take a break? First, we parallel that thing. Papa, show them, please. That yellow thing you see over there, we cannot let that thing hit us. So guys, I am rowing the boat ulta. In my experience of rowing the boat, I was first very scared and I wanted to go home.
And she was crying before.
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go. Yeah, you are doing like that, I'm sure.
And I was.
I am looking. Why are you crying?
Don't make it a silly video.
Noor is scared. Why you are scared, Noor? It's okay, Baba. This is a nice place. We'll wait for Shem Chachu. Na?
No.
Why?
Give me that phone.
You look.
Give me that phone.
You look baby.
It's
It's not tilting, Baba.
But then, since I started rowing, I'm not feeling that much scared actually.
Yeah, I think rowing is fun. What do you think?
And it's tiring too.
Yeah, but it's a good experience.
Yeah.
Let's go to waterfall.
So now overseas, to the waterfall. Now, Papa, please show them. Please to the waterfall today.
I am
Can you
shooting.
see it?
Yeah. Right, do it right. Let's rescue us from the waterfall.